Alright guys, so this is going to be a really quick video. If your car is sputtering, stalling out, RPMs are going up and down, this is probably your problem right here. This is the MAF sensor. It can be found where your airbox is. I don't have an airbox, as you can see here. So what I'm doing right here is using the screwdriver to unscrew these bolts, well, these clip-ons, so I can pull this out. And this is the MAF sensor right here. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can find the new MAF sensor, or even if you don't have this car, you can still look up the MAF sensor through this link. Here's the new MAF sensor right here that I ordered from online off of Amazon. They both look pretty similar. The only difference on this one is the back doesn't have the mesh net right here. But anyways, let's go ahead and install this one on. Sensor's main purpose is to pretty much determine the amount of airflow that is going into the combustion chamber, which then in turn the ECU picks that up and delivers the right amount of fuel mass to the engine. So the next time that your car is idling funny, or it's just sputtering and stalling out at stoplights, or like you have a misfire or anything like that, it's more than likely the MAF sensor. It's a really common thing with BMWs. I would definitely recommend checking the MAF sensor, as it is cheaper to doing that than looking at coils and stuff like that. So I definitely recommend doing that. And another tip I'd want to give for the MAF sensor is to please make sure that you install it on the right way. There should be a small arrow at the top of the MAF sensor pointing you in the right direction of which it is supposed to be mounted on, because it is possible to put this on backwards, which would also cause problems. So there it is there. Just a few turns of a flathead screwdriver and a whole lot less of a headache with the car. The car is running fine now. My idle's not crazy. I mean, it does sound a little wacky, because there is a couple things that I do need to fix on this car still, because it's pretty much a project car. I'm still working on fixing this thing up. So if you guys want to stay updated with this car and the build on it, please subscribe, leave a like, comment if you have any questions. But anyways guys, thanks for watching.